This video will show you how you can use the new icon maker in Canvas. So you'll see I have a page open up here and I'm currently editing it. And then I have this little icon right here. It looks like a number of different shapes. If I click on this little V right next to it here, I get two options. I can either create a new icon or look at icons that I've already saved in my course. I'm going to create a new icon and this screen comes up here. I'm going to name my button that I'm making here. The alt text is what is read by screen readers. So if you have students with accommodations, you may want to consider utilizing the alt text as well. You can change the shape of your icon. I'm just going to leave mine as a square, and I will leave it as small as well, but you can customize the size of it. Then you can go in and change the color. And you'll notice that there is a select number of colors available, and the reason for that is so that they are accessible for students who might have visual impairments. Then you can select the outline if you would like. If you don't like the outline, notice up here that my outline is really hard to see. It's very small. You can make it large or change the size of it. And then you can add text. So I want this button to indicate that it is for modules. And it will by default put that text right in the center of your button. You can choose to change the size of the text, as well as the color of the text, the background of the text, as well as what position it's in. Typically I'd say either in the middle or below are probably your best options, as the bottom third kind of overlaps the outline there, and that just doesn't look great. Lastly, you can select an image at the very bottom here, and you can either select from single color images, which are just these icons that are all black, or you can check the multicolor images, and there's a few more fun ones in here. I'm going to select this book icon here, and I'm going to put my text along the below there. And then let's say I'm all done with this. I'll click on apply. And my button pops up here in the rich content editor. If I want, I can click edit and change any of the things that I just customized, so you're not stuck with your button once you make it. The other thing you can do is click on it, and then you can use the link icon to link to either something outside of your course or something in your course. In this case, I'm going to link to the modules in my course navigation. And now anytime someone clicks on this, it will link them directly to the modules page. If I were to share this page with another staff member or send it to a different course, this button is editable in that course by anyone who's a teacher in the course. One last thing I'll point out is that when you are creating your buttons, if you use the button in many places across your course, you can choose to apply the changes that you make to your button to apply to all instances of that icon that you have put in any page or assignment within your course. So that could be very helpful if you update a button that you've put in your course multiple times. And that's just a brief overview of the icon maker now available in Canvas.